Introducing the MMC 2-port female-to-female coupler. AI data center ready, high density. It uses US Conec's 2-port coupler to connect their APC VSFF multi-fiber pre-terminated MMC connectors, which are available in 12, 16, and 24 fiber variants. Precise mating, reduced back reflection as expected with APC geometry. Suitable for single-mode and multi-mode applications. The body is molded in green PEI, rated UL94V0 for compliance and safety. Each unit includes dust covers, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear, to protect ports during build and maintenance. Choose the version that suits your panel and finish, nickel or black. Mounting options: 3.2mm countersunk, M3 number 440 UNC, or 3.2mm plain holes.